I hear the old timers say this: sour versus sweet.
Yeah, you're right on it, Chris, because that is an old timer's term. And those are terms used to describe the alkalinity or acidity of the soil, the pH, in other words, the pH.
Right.
And when I got to reading up on it, I found out that it originated when the pioneers crossed the United States going westward to determine where their best home site was. They would actually taste the soil.
How about that?
Yeah, and I hadn't tried that yet. I was going to do it. I thought, no, I'm not even going to do that even for Chris Cooper. I'm just not going to eat dirt. But it said that you could tell the alkalinity or the acidity of a soil by the, you know, the way your taste buds reacted, and a sweet soil would be more alkaline.
Go figure.
Yeah.
How about that?
That's
Yeah,
amazing.
and it's sweet, meaning that it would, well, be sweet as opposed to sour, which would be like a fizzy. And I did read up where one guy actually did it, and he said that a really acidic soil or a sour soil would taste like those, what's that candy? Those rocks that blow up in your mouth? That little candy that's fizzy, really fizzy?
Yeah, the
so it would be
bubble?
fizzy.
Yeah. Okay, I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Little
and it
rock
said an
candies.
alkaline
Okay.
soil or a sweet soil would be like taking a dose of milk of magnesia.
Wow.
Yeah, coat chalky.
Okay.
It kind of coats your tongue. So I'm just taking their word for it.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.